Hey there. You ever notice how every single January we all seem to be reading from the exact same script? Happy New Year! Got any resolutions? It's this routine we all know. So today, let's dive in and really unpack why our New Year's chats are so predictable and what they might secretly reveal about us.
Right? It's a great question. We've probably all thought about it without even realizing it. Is it just, a habit? Are we on some kind of conversational autopilot? Or is there actually something a little more meaningful going on in these super simple exchanges? Let's find out.
Okay, so the first piece of the puzzle isn't really in the words themselves. It's in this feeling that connects pretty much all of us. I'm talking about that universal, very human need to mark the passage of time and, hit the reset button.
And this is not just a modern thing. I mean, think about it. Cultures all over the world for centuries have had their own versions of this, from Lunar New Year to Nowruz. But that core impulse, it's always the same. Closing one chapter and starting a new one that feels full of possibility. Our Happy New Year script is just our little variation on a very, very old human theme.
So, with that in mind, let's get into the specifics of our script. You know the one we perform in the office with our neighbors, on the phone with our family, every single January. It's kind of like a surprisingly structured piece of social theater.
And it almost always follows these three simple steps. First up, you've got the greeting. That sets the stage. Then comes the inquiry, which is like a quick check-in on what just happened. And finally, you have the resolution, the part where we look to the future. So let's break each of these down. All right, step one, the greeting. It is by far the most common phrase of the season, right? We say it with this sort of cheerful obligation. But believe it or not, the simple little phrase is doing a lot more heavy lifting than you might think.
Yeah, think of it less like a wish and more like a social ritual. It's like a verbal handshake. When we say Happy New Year, what we're really saying is, hey, I see you, we're in this together, and I really hope the next 12 months are good for both of us. It's this small but actually pretty powerful moment of community connection.
So once the greeting is done, the script immediately moves to step two, the inquiry. This is that polite, almost required question about what the other person actually did to celebrate the big night.
And what's funny is the replies are just as scripted. Whether you had a wild night out or a quiet night in with the TV, the answer is usually just a short, simple summary. Because the goal isn't to get a detailed report of the evening, it's just to keep that social connection going, to acknowledge that, yeah, we all just went through this holiday together.
Okay, now we get to the real heart of the matter. This is the part of the script that's all about the future, the talk of resolutions and personal change.
I mean, this classic saying just perfectly captures the whole mindset, doesn't it? The turning of the calendar page feels like this natural, perfect moment to shed our old habits and embrace new ambitions. It's like a cultural reset button for all of us.
And this brings us to this incredibly powerful idea of the fresh start. Psychologically, this is huge. The calendar basically gives us permission to believe that we can be different, that we're not totally defined by whatever happened in the last 12 months. It's a clean slate.
And this is exactly why asking about resolutions is such a key part of the script. The question on the surface is simple, but the subtext, what we're really doing, is inviting the other person to connect over our shared hopes. It's a really subtle way of saying, hey, We all want to be better, right? So let's talk about the future for a minute.
And our hopes, well, they tend to fall into some very familiar categories, don't they? Getting fitter, saving more money, learning a new skill, being a better friend. These common goals really just reflect what our culture values most: health, prosperity, and this idea of continuous self-improvement. Our personal resolutions are, in a way, deeply social.
So, when you put it all together, what does this all add up to? Let's just pull back for a second and look at the big picture. This repetitive, kind of simple script we all follow is actually a really powerful cultural tool.
When you really break it down, each part of the script points to a core value. Happy New Year. That's all about community and optimism. Asking any resolutions? That's our shared aspiration. And that whole idea of a fresh start? Well, that's our deep belief in renewal and second chances.
So here it is, the main takeaway. Our holiday small talk isn't small at all. It's a collective ritual. Every single time we follow this script, we're participating in this massive, widespread performance of optimism. We are, all together, reinforcing the idea that things can and will get better. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. If these seemingly simple phrases are actually a way for all of us to collectively focus our intentions on hope and renewal, what does that mean for the year ahead? What kind of reality are we all creating together every January? It's something to think about.